Today topic BMC business model Canva. Why competitor companies, the pump industries. So right now many of agricultures and new homes construction, they are using submersible pump for water sucking purpose. So reasons, many of technologies involving updating the pump industries. Right now many of industries searching and included AI based pumps. Okay, different types of pumps available in market. Research going in pumps.
The submersible pumps are divided into many types. It is adjusted based on the depth of the borehole and the capacity in the bore. The capacity means the bore, when the bore is charging, depth of the water is also included to choose the submersible pump. For example, in 150 feet bore, the motor submersible pumps is choose to 1 HP. The submersible pumps types of choosing based on the depth of the bore.
So good morning, sir. I'm going to talk about the pumps. There are several types of pumps available in the market. Example, reciprocating pump, axial flow, leading flow, and submersible pumps, monoblock pumps. Majorly, monoblock pumps are used in the borewells to suck the water in the underground. Majorly, it is used in the agriculture purpose. For the commercial purpose, we use the submersible pumps to suck the water from the tanks to the rooftop.
I'm going to talk about the CM related pump works. Pump works are questions. We are measuring the submersible pump in CM using Cartesian distance and so basically we are checking the CMM for position handling, casting path through machining area. We are measuring the CMM basically.
Myself zero. The pump outer body was manufactured by casting process. From on the pump, top to bottom, the outer case was doing by casting process. After the casting process, it was taken to machining. In the machining process, they were machining all the excess materials in the casting part. After that, it goes to assembly.